Before you buy something new, take a fresh look around. We often feel like decorating the house needs a lot of shopping or a complete makeover, but that's not always true. Many times, small changes and thoughtful styling can bring new life into the space. Welcome to the Big Basket YouTube channel. In this video, we are exploring 5 simple, budget-friendly ways to decorate your home. These ideas are easy to try, use things you already have, and can make a big difference in how your space looks. Also, before we get into it, there's a giveaway challenge waiting for you at the end of the video. One lucky winner will receive a special voucher from Big Basket. Just watch the full video and I'll tell you how to enter right before we wrap up. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the first idea, refreshing your home with fabrics and soft furnishings. This is one of the simplest ways to instantly change the feel of a room. I started by swapping out the cushion covers, a small switch, but it immediately changed the tone of both the sofa and the bedroom space. I like to go a little extra step, and instead of laying out a simple bedspread, I also layer a few cushions. You can try mixing textures or even switching between light and dark colors depending on the season. It's a small effort but makes a big difference. Then I added a tablecloth to the dining table to give it a soft, inviting look. A lot of the times when it comes to decoration, our focus is always just on the living room or the bedroom. But we often forget the dining table, which takes up a major space, and by styling it with the right kind of colors, we can change the way any room looks. This layering of runners makes the whole setup feel more put together without being too formal. It also breaks the monotony of plain tablecloth or fabric and adds a little visual interest. Placing 4 mats on top made the setup look complete and cozy. Even in the kitchen, I added a rug under the counter. It helped define the space and made it more comfortable and styled, especially when you're standing for long periods while cooking. Soft furnishings don't just add beauty, they bring warmth and comfort too. The second idea is one I personally love, and that is adding greenery and natural elements. And no, you don't have to go out and buy new plants. I used small cuttings from existing plants at home and placed them in chai glasses, old jars, and even bottles, anything that you may have. In one corner, I grouped a few plants together to create a little green pocket, which made the room feel alive. If you are someone who does not want to think a lot about how to decorate but still want a beautiful home, then consider making such a mini garden or corner for yourself too. I also styled some fruits like these oranges in a bowl on the table. It's such a simple way to add color and bring in a natural seasonal touch. Now let's move on to the third idea, which is repurposing and styling everyday items. This is where creativity comes in. You don't need to shop, just look at what's already in your home or even your kitchen. For example, I used wooden chopping board as decor. I added a couple of nice jars over here that I use to store pickles and a few other decorative items as well. Together, all of these combine to make a beautiful centerpiece, and you don't even feel like you've used a chopping board as the base. You can have some of the chopping boards only for styling your kitchen countertop, like I've done with the marble board over here. Also, one remains close to the kitchen sink for me so that I can immediately pick it up and use it as and when I want. Just like the chopping board, consider using other things around your home in a new way. Like for instance, this cake stand, which now I am using to give some height to a basket of a plant. Next up is a favorite, lighting up your corners creatively. Lighting has such a big impact on the mood of a room. I used simple tea lights and placed them inside some tea light holders that I already had at home. These instantly became small, warm decor pieces. I also added one to the kitchen area. This lights up the kitchen countertop in no time, and suddenly from a work area it becomes a decorated spot. And at night I like switching off the ceiling lights and using ground level lighting instead, like a lamp or just a few candles. It makes the space feel softer, calmer, and more inviting. I am all about styling surfaces with simple vignettes. This just means grouping things in a thoughtful way so they look styled. I created a small tray setup using skincare, perfume, bottles, and whatnot. These are all the things we all have at home and we use daily, but placing them together makes the space feel organized and even pretty. Small changes go a long way. You don't need to spend much. Just shift a few things, look at your home with fresh eyes, and create corners that make you smile. So here you go, lots of easy and affordable ways to give your home a little refresh. And now, as promised, here's how you can take part in our giveaway challenge. All you have to do is answer this question. Which everyday kitchen item did I use as a decorative element in the video? Leave your answer in the comments for a chance to win a Big Basket voucher. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel for more home ideas, seasonal tips, and simple inspiration.